To revive a cherished sanctuary from the ashes of the Eden Fire.
The historic Mountain View Mausoleum has been closed to the public since January, but as KCAL News reporter Jasmine Veal found out, a nonprofit is leading the march to clean it up and get it reopened.
Armed with brooms, HEPA vacuums, sponges, and determination, a professional cleaning crew descends upon the marble floors, the dirty stained glass, and silent crypts inside the 60,000 square foot Mountain View Mausoleum in Altadena. It's day one of a massive undertaking by the Restoring Lives Foundation to return this 100-year-old mausoleum to what it was before the Eden Fire left it covered in toxic soot and ash.
It looks clean to the untrained eye when you look at it now.
Brett Lawton started the Restoring Lives Foundation 3 years ago through his construction company to help support recovery efforts in disaster-stricken communities.
Deployed down here, and then we started finding out that a lot of projects weren't being covered by insurance, which is becoming more and more common.
Like this mausoleum, which does not have enough funds through its endowment care to cover the delicate and numerous repairs.
You can see all these walls contain the bodies of family members, of loved ones. We constantly get telephone calls from families who want to come and pay their respects, and we can't let them in.
Bob Richter, the COO of Mountain View Cemetery Mortuary, says before Lawton's help to cover the cleanup costs, they didn't know how they were going to do it. They had already started repairing the cemetery, which had acted as a fire break.
The fire came into our property about 3 yards and then went away. But we suffered extreme smoke damage, both in the buildings over there and the mausoleum behind me.
On every ledge, on every horizontal surface, and now even on the vertical surfaces, the discoloring of smoke, soot, and ash.
Franco Bursino runs the disaster response team at Lawton Construction and says they did not want to waste any time getting to work despite still trying to raise donations.
The magnitude of this job has everyone's full attention.
They expect this mausoleum to be completely restored within the next 6 months. But they say they plan to open it in phases so that people can return here before that to see their loved ones.
All right, good?
And now a generous gift to bring this sacred space back to life. In Altadena, Jasmine Veal, KCAL News.
Let's step outside. You know the temperature.